What is on your mind today?
So I'd like to talk about organizing my book, how to put it in the right chapters and making sure that I have the sections and all that sort of stuff.
Perfect. Where are you in your draft already?
So I've written a lot. I've written a bunch of different pieces, but I haven't put it together yet. I've got probably 50 or 75 pieces, but I haven't put it together in any sort of format yet, other than it's in a document.
All right. And without being too specific, you are also a speaker, correct?
That's right. Yep.
All right. So I would encourage you to think about your chapters as keynotes.
Ooh, so each chapter is a keynote?
Each chapter is a keynote, right.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, cool.
So if you do each chapter as a keynote, then that helps you kind of corral your pieces under those specific topics. Because, I'm sure you have like a 60-minute keynote, a 90-minute keynote, and
Yeah.
then, your all-day workshops. And so ideally, each of your all-day workshops would have their own book. But for now, focus on specifically like the training that you're promoting, right?
Okay.
And write that book first. And if each chapter is a keynote, then you have a lot of flexibility there, because the average books now are between 30 and 50,000 words, okay? And you want to have at least 9 chapters, but if you're going above maybe 12 chapters, you'll want to look at more than 50,000 words. Do you already kind of have a length of your book that you have in mind?
Probably right around 100 pages would be good.
100 pages. Okay, so that would be right around 25,000 to 30,000 words.
Okay.
Okay? And so the way that you think about this is each of your chapters should be about the same length, because what you're doing is you're setting the experience for your reader, and you want to give them a natural cadence, just like you would in your speaking. You want to bring them up with you, bring them down with you, and all of those different emotions that you would have in your keynote, you want to bring them into the book.